Welcome to our channel. Today we how to automate client communication with Slack, full guide step by step clearly. Open Slack and log into your workspace. Navigate to the app directory by clicking on apps in the left sidebar. In the search bar, type Zapier and select the Zapier app from the results. Click on install to add Zapier to your Slack workspace. Once installed, open Zapier in a new tab. Create a new Zap by clicking on the Make a Zap button. Choose a trigger app that you want to use, such as Gmail or Typeform. Select the specific trigger event, like new email or new entry. Connect your trigger app account by following the prompts. Set up the trigger by filling in any required information, then click Continue. Now, test your trigger to ensure it works correctly. Select the action event, such as Send Channel Message or Send Direct Message. Connect your Slack account by following Zapier's authentication process. Customize the message you want to send in the action settings. You can use data from your trigger by inserting fields into the message. Once you've set the message, click Continue to proceed. Test the action to verify the message sends successfully to Slack. If the test is successful, click Turn on Zap to activate your automation. Congratulations, your client communication through Slack is now automated. Additionally, explore other integrations in Zapier to enhance your workflow. Regularly check and optimize your automation to ensure everything runs smoothly. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.